Hi Flint Families. I'm going to show you how to prepare your green beans and carrots for this week's vegetable recipes. You'll need your green beans, your carrot, a colander, your cutting board, a vegetable peeler, and a knife.
First, we'll start by washing our green beans in cold water, gently tossing them, removing any leaves, dirt, or debris, and inspecting any green beans for mold or bruising. Next, we will trim them by cutting off each end and then cutting them in half, or if you prefer to keep them longer, you can do so. To prepare your carrot, you'll start by giving it a wash in cold water. Then we'll peel it, holding the carrot by one end, using your vegetable peeler to apply light pressure and scrape in an upward or downward stroke, whichever direction feels right in your hand. Next, we'll trim the ends. Then, turn it sideways to cut in half. Take one half of the carrot, holding it firmly on the cutting board with your hand above it. Place the blade in between your fingers and slice it in half. Then, turn the carrot to the flat surface and cut the carrot again, creating quarters. Next, we'll take each piece and cut it into bite-sized pieces.